Okay, so today we're going to do a quick repair. I am changing out the dome light and Microswitch for the convertible top. So let's get right into that. All right, first thing we're going to do, give ourselves some extra room. Next, pulling these out. And as you can see underneath, we have these two T30s in here that need to be taken out. Once those are taken out, you can easily pull this down. Be careful because there are 3 connectors behind it. You have this connector here, this one that goes down into here, and this one which goes to the lights. Here I have the replacement. I got it from Specialized German on eBay for about $100. Now, typically when it comes to things like micro switches, which is what needs to be replaced in here, I would suggest going with brand new because these things are very, very finicky. So if you can, get brand new ones. If not, get one that you can send back if it doesn't work, because sometimes these just fail for no reason. Then to put it back in, all you're doing is putting these plugs back in. Now that we got the new one in, I'm going to see if it works. Hey, it works. Good job, me. And for those of you who have been around a while, guess what? The car starts. Not very well, but it starts. It's probably got some bad gas in it. But anyways, if you haven't yet already, hit the subscribe button and don't miss out on the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.